Hello! It's me, Pretzl Cosplay. Welcome to this new video. This is the second video that I promised where I will do a cosplay tutorial, and this video is also sponsored by Gamigo, the creator of the games ArcheAge and ArcheAge Unchained, which are massive multiplayer online RPGs in a fantasy setting. So they're really cool games, and I will show a little bit about the game later, but first let me explain a little bit about this video. Not too long ago I uploaded a video where I recreated my own character in ArcheAge as a makeup look. And that video I will link in the description below. And in that video I also asked you guys to enter the contest that Gamigo is holding, which is called ArcheAge Faces. And I asked you to send in your own characters that you made in the game and tag them with the hashtag ArcheAgeFaces to win some really cool prizes. And there were a lot of entries that were really cool, like these and these. Just really cool entries. The winners from round 1 have all been contacted by Gamigo, so they will receive their prizes. And now it's time for the second round of the contest. And for the second round I'm also creating another makeup look of one of the characters from ArcheAge. There is a list of characters that you can choose from to recreate as a makeup look. I will link the list in the description below so you can find it easily. And if you recreate one of those makeup looks, upload it to your social media and use the hashtag, then you can win really cool prizes of up to 1,000 euros. Yeah. 10 winners will be selected out of all makeup looks that will all win cash prizes. So that's really awesome, so you can buy all kinds of cosplay supplies and of course games. I will tell you more about the contest later in the video, so keep watching until the end to find out all the details about how to win these amazing prizes. And if you're already excited for this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my other videos. But first, let me show you ArcheAge Unchained for a little while. Let's find out what the world of ArcheAge has to offer. Woo! Oh my gosh. Can I do that again? I thought it was one of these. Let's do it again. Whee! Oh my god, perfect. They gave me a little puppy. That's so cute. They are cute. Look at them. Hi. Hi. Hello. Aww. Look what the puppy grew into. A very big one. Okay, let's take a closer look at you. Ah, ain't he cute? He's cute. Hi. Whee! Nice. Great. Whee! Woohoo! Nice. And look, I have a face mask. Great. Oh, wasn't my mount in the game just the cutest ever? Oh, I think it's so adorable. And there's so much more for me to explore inside the game, but that's for another time. Now it's time to do a makeup tutorial based on this character. So here I am, barefaced, ready to start the makeup. First, I want to push my hair back with a headband. First step is to prime the eyes. And I will do one eye on camera and the other one I will do off camera because otherwise the video will just take too long. This character's makeup look is very interesting. I think she has done a cut crease. That's when in makeup you do a really bright color on the eyelid and a darker color on top, and then it has a really sharp separation, like the character has. So I will try that. And first, of course, we need to start with the transition color, this one. A very light skin tone color that will go all over the eyelid. Now this color for some shading. And to make it a little bit darker, I will also be using this one. The darker color. And now I want some bright blue over the moving eyelid, but because we already did the dark shading, I need to add a little bit more of a skin color underneath. So for that I'm going to use concealer. This will also make the eyeshadow stick better, so that we can get a brighter color. For the bright blue I want to use this palette. It has this color in it that really looks like the reference. So the first round of the ArcheAge Faces contest was already pretty cool with all the awesome entries, but the second round is even cooler because it is all about makeup. So if you will recreate the look that I'm making today or one of the others that you can find in the link, and you post a picture or a video of it to your social media, and of course use the hashtag and tag me so I can see it, then you're in for the second round where you can win some really awesome prizes. I will tell more about the prizes very soon. Because it needs to look like the eye is really big, I'm going to be drawing a little bit of white so it will appear bigger. Now I'm going to apply some eyeliner. I'm using a pencil for that, to make the eye look bigger, to give an illusion. Now it's time for some eyebrows, and for that I'm using a brow pomade and applying it with a brush. Some serious eyebrows going on here. Let's apply some awesome lashes after I put some mascara on my own lash. Fabulous! So that was one eye, and I will do the other eye off camera. Now both eyes are done. And we can continue with the face. I'm using a foundation, this one, it's a very light one, and full coverage, and we need that to look a little bit like a doll. And I'm applying it with a sponge. I also put foundation on the lips, because the character has really small doll-like lips, so that's why we need them in skin color, so we can make the lips appear more small. To finish the skin, I'm going to add some powder to it. So if you want to enter the second round of the contest and make a makeup look like this or any of the others that you can choose from, then you can enter until this date. After the contest closes, the judges will deliberate and 10 winners will be chosen to win really awesome prizes. First place, who has the best makeup look, will win 1000 euros. Yes, you can buy a lot of cosplay stuff for 1000 euros. And the second place wins 500 euros. That's also a lot. And the third place wins 300 euros. And the fourth until the 10th place all win 100 euros. So those are all great prizes. And you can buy a lot of foam and thermoplastics and paint and everything with those prizes. And who doesn't like to create cosplay makeup? So I really suggest entering the contest. And of course, when you enter, don't forget to use the hashtag ArcheAge Faces, because that's where we can find all the entries to choose the best makeups. So excited to see all the entries. For contouring the face, I like to use this palette. A little bit of highlighter too. Our character looks a little bit like a broken doll, and she has some cracks on her face. So to make this, I want to use some liquid makeup in the color grey from Farbstark. Shake it. Okay, mixed. And then I'm actually going to put a little bit of this into a little bottle cap so I can apply it with my brush. I just have a little bit of it now in a little bottle cap, and with my small brush I'm going to draw some cracks. Yep. And for her freckles I want to use the same face paint. And she also has some little lashes on the bottom of her eyes, so we're going to draw them. I like it. Her lips are super tiny, so going to try to recreate that. I'm using my favorite lipstick, that's the matte lipstick in the color Copenhagen from NYX. It looks so funny. I think we need to make it a little bit bigger because this is a little bit too much. So the face is done. Now it's time to add the wig. Before I can put on the wig, of course, we need to put the headband away. And I need to braid my hair. Then the wig cap. And now let's get the wig. Oh, she's pretty! It's actually a wig I bought in Japan when we were in Japan last year. No, not last year. 2 years ago already. Wow, time flies. Put it on. There I am. Fringe is a little bit too long, but this is the only purple wig I have, so. And now we also need to put 2 ponytails in her. But because I don't have ponytails to clip in, I'm going to use a little trick. I have some clips and I'm going to try and make it look like she has ponytails. There we go. Some fake ponytails. Yeah. Yeah. And we are almost finished. Now we just need some pointy ears. So this is the finished makeup look, inspired by this character from ArcheAge Unchained. I think it turned out really cool, and it was really awesome to try a different makeup look that is really different from the other one that we did before, this one. But I really enjoyed it. So will you be recreating this look for the contest? Or one of the other faces that you can select from a list that I will link in the description below? If you decide to enter the contest and do a makeup look, then upload it to your social media channel and use the hashtag ArcheAgeFaces and tag me in it so I can immediately find your entry. And then I can't wait to see all your makeup looks. So cool! Good luck in the contest, and I can't wait to see your entries. Of course, don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my other videos, which are always cosplay related, mostly tutorials. So, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!